Hi guys, today I just received this game. It's for the PS5 as you can see, and it's obviously from the past generation. It's a remastered. It's The Last of Us Part 2 remastered. It didn't have like that much jump graphically, or I haven't noticed like that much because I haven't played on PS4 for a while. But I mean, the graphics are fine. The game is fine. It arrived in perfect state. I love the design of the box. Naughty Dog tends to have really nice box design, and what I like a lot is that the game itself is really amazing. You get really the disc, as you can see in here, and these like drones inside of the box. You can see it's LEDs like the same in the front, and it's really nice. I haven't finished yet, but I mean, I had quite fun. Some people doesn't like the story, some people doesn't like stuff that happens, but I quite enjoyed it. So I would recommend it. It has trigger effects of the PS5. You know, the haptics that it has on the trigger, which is really nice, and obviously the classical vibration that most games nowadays have. I really enjoyed playing with the trigger effects. I think that they made a really nice addition to the game. I believe it was a very nice experience the first time, but with these little tweaks that it make amazing. It got some new modes. I don't want to spoil those modes that much, but they're really fun, and I would really recommend it.